Hi, I'm Charlie Henley, the sales manager for Back Industries, and I'm here to introduce the Revolver X2. For over 25 years, the engineers at Back Industries have been designing innovative covers made for today's contemporary truck. This new hard rolling cover is sleek, stylish, secure, and provides 100% access to the one reason you buy your truck, which is, after all, the pickup bed. The Revolver X2 innovation starts with its foundation in the locking rail. This patented rotational locking rail now engages 3/4 of an inch into new, larger, and more robust locking blocks that are assembled as part of the roll top cover. At the end, the engagement is performed with a locking lever that is fully engineered to engage 100%, no adjustment required whatsoever. You'll note the Revolver X2 doesn't have any keys facing the sky, which eliminates potential for failure. We simply rely on the truck's OE tailgate to lock and secure the cover. By unlocking and lowering the tailgate, you'll have access to a simple pull cable on the passenger or driver's side, which releases the automatic latching assembly, which then disengages the locking rail. Now, with simple one-handed operation, you can roll the cover all the way to the front, using the felt for a soft, cool spot to operate. With the Revolver completely rolled open, you have access to load large equipment into the bed space, like your motorcycle or your table saw. You're able to hitch up your fifth wheel and have visibility for when you're trailering. Beyond that, your access to the stake pocket holes allow you to add the other accessories that you value most for this truck. Other accessories like the back box, fold-away toolbox to help get you organized. All the things you need most are available to use with the Revolver X2 platform. Just as easy as it opens, the Revolver X2 is going to unstrap and roll down into the opening, laying flush, sealing along the sides with an EPDM seal. At the back, a simple compression seal is going to ensure a watertight fit. Easy to close over the top of a closed tailgate, as well as being easy to open and close underneath in a universal way. There you have it, the Revolver X2, an amazing hard rolling cover made in America with a 3-year warranty, perfect for your lifestyle and your pickup truck.
When you need the utility of a premium soft roll-up truck bed cover without the premium price tag, Trucksport by TruXedo has you covered. Our most affordable soft roll-up truck bed cover protects your cargo from the worst Mother Nature has to offer. The Trucksport is there when you need it and out of the way when you don't. When you need full access to your truck bed, it rolls up and stores at the front. Its UV-resistant leather grain vinyl looks great on any truck. Its tight front and tailgate seals keep the elements and weather out, everything from dust and dirt to rain and snow. You can install Trucksport in less than 20 minutes without drilling or special tools. Simply connect the cover assembly to the rails before clamping them to your truck bed. To protect your cargo, release the safety straps, unroll the cover, and slam it closed to latch it. The preset tension control keeps the cover smooth and flat for a low-profile look. An industrial hook and loop system seals the sides of the cover down. When used with a locking tailgate, Trucksport keeps your belongings safe and dry. When you need to use your truck bed to the fullest, press down on the dual latches, roll the cover to the front, and secure with the safety straps. With the straps in place, you can safely drive with the cover fully open. Every time you close your truck bed, you can rest in the fact that we put all our covers to the test to make sure they're tough enough to fit your lifestyle. We've even custom designed Trucksport to your truck's specific year, make, and model for a guaranteed fit. We proudly manufacture Trucksport here in the USA and back it with our 5-year warranty. At TruXedo, we believe you shouldn't have to choose between great design and affordability. With Trucksport, you can finally have both. TruXedo. Cover your truck, live your life.
Hi, I'm Sean. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the MaxMate soft roll tonneau cover on a 2021 Ford F-150. This cover is best for those who can keep it installed and are looking for the maximum truck bed opening when rolled up. Let's have a look. First off, let's check and make sure all the parts and hardware are accounted for. Then if you see the front bed rail is noticeably lower than the side rails, prep it by installing the weather strip along the rail to fill the gap. Then let's start with the flat horizontal piece on the rolled up cover. Lay that down in the cab side bed rails. Temporarily loosen the screws on the bulkhead. Then take the side rails and slide the ends into the bulkheads. When installing the side rail, be very careful not to pinch the tarp between the side rail and the bulkhead. Also, when installing the side rails, be sure they line up with the inner side of the bed on both sides. Once that's done, go ahead and tighten the screw. Now we need to secure the side rails against the pickup truck's bed rails. This cover comes with a number of clamps. The exact number of clamps I have here today may be different than what you have in your package. Depending on the model and bed size, it can be 4, 6, or 8. Evenly distribute the clamps along each side rail. Another tip here on tightening down the clamps on the side rails is that you actually want the clamps to sit all the way inside the channels on the side rail. This edge here is not the channel. The channel is actually all the way in, and you'll see the clamp sits right down in the channel and puts itself right in place. Carefully not to over tighten the clamps. This could cause the side rails to collapse and misalign the cover itself. Another special note, each MaxMate roll-up cover comes with a special package with custom clamps that work only on specific models, such as Toyota and Nissan. Some models are installed with utility tracks that are positioned too high up and block access to the bottom lip of the bed rails. So you will need to install these instead. Moving along, unhook the safety straps and unfurl the cover along the Velcro tape. Now try locking the latch mechanism. If your cover is installed correctly, the latch head should be horizontally in the groove of the tension plate and not digging too deep into the bed rail. You should hear a click sound when you get a good latch, so keep adjusting the tarp along the sides. If the latch head can't reach the tension plate, adjust the tarp again to make sure it's fully stretched out. Now try closing and opening the tailgate and releasing the tension plate and cable to see if everything's working. Then keep the cover closed and tailgate open. Peek inside and see if there's any gap underneath the front bed rail where you applied the weather strip in the beginning. If you still see daylight, go ahead and apply an additional layer on top of that to prevent water from leaking in. Finally, if you feel like you've done everything correct up to this point and the latch head still can't reach the tension plate or doesn't stay latched, consider repositioning the tension plate along the rail by loosening these screws.
Hi, I'm Todd Henderson. Take a look at the Gator roll-up cover. Now this is an extremely low profile cover, has some great looking lines, looks great on the bed of the truck. Now, with the tailgate lock, you'll have an extra level of security for the contents inside of the bed. To open the cover is very simple. You first just open your tailgate. That gives you access to your driver's side trigger latch. You pull that latch, it releases the cover, you can start rolling it up to the front of the bed. It's held down along the sides by industrial strength hook and loop Velcro. And as you roll it up, the crossbows that support the weight of the cover will roll up with the cover. Once you have your truck all loaded up, there's these convenient hook straps. Strap this into place and you're ready to roll. We ship this cover for free to anywhere in the continental United States. If you have any questions, please call the experts. We're here to help you pick the right parts for you.
Hi, my name is Mike. Today we will be installing a Tyger cover. The shape and quantity of the clamps will vary depending on vehicle and bed size. Short bed, 4 clamps. Regular bed, 6 clamps. Long bed, 8 clamps. Position of the side rail is very crucial for a proper installation and fitment. Make sure the inner edge of the side rail lines up with the inner edge of the truck bed rail. Place the side rails evenly so that the distance between the rear end of the side rail to the tailgate is the same on both sides. When attaching the side rails, it is okay to leave them loose. We will come back and tighten them later. The clamps need to be attached directly to the metal part of the bed rail. You may need to cut a small hole in the bed liner for the clamps, especially for the over the bed rail type of bed liners. Make sure that the ends of the crossbars are resting on the side rails as you're rolling the cover down. After your cover is rolled out flat, you want to make sure that your crossbars are arched upward to avoid pooling of water. The side rail position is important in order to close the cover. Make sure that the locking clip and the side rail are no further than 1/16 of an inch apart. If the cover can't be latched, try moving the side rails outward. If the cover doesn't stay latched, try moving the side rails inward. Gently pull down both sides of the cover. Press along the edges to secure the Velcro. Push down on the end of the cover. Pull the cable on either side to unlatch. The Velcro is used as a guide to roll the cover up straight. Make sure the cover is free of any debris before rolling it up. The safety straps must be used when the cover is rolled up and the vehicle is in motion. Tension control system is located towards the end of the side rails on both sides. It may be used to adjust the vinyl tightness depending on the weather conditions. Only move one increment at a time. Each increment will give you an 1/8 inch of tension adjustment. Same adjustment to both tension plates is needed. If cover is too tight, move tension plate away from the tailgate to loosen the vinyl. If cover is too loose, move the tension plate towards the tailgate to tighten the vinyl. Tension system can also be adjusted back and forth if you have trouble latching down the cover.